In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes to Outlook email messages. If you've ever wanted to jot down a quick reminder, capture an action item, or keep context right next to an email, this walkthrough will show you how to do it using Outlook on the web with the built-in OneNote Notes panel. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your favorite search engine. In the search box, type Outlook and press Enter. From the results, choose the official Outlook website. If you prefer, you can also go directly to Outlook via its usual web address. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that with your account so you can see your mailbox. Once Outlook loads, look to the left sidebar and select your inbox. This takes you to your list of messages. Pick the email you want to annotate by clicking it so it opens in the reading pane. It can be any message, something you need to follow up on, a thread with decisions, or a receipt you want to track. With the email open, move your eyes toward the top right of the Outlook window. You should see the OneNote icon, often represented by a purple N. If your window is narrow and you don't see it immediately, try expanding the browser window or clicking the More Actions menu, the three dots, to reveal additional icons. Click the OneNote icon to open the Notes panel. In the panel that appears, choose Add a Note. This creates a new note associated with the message context, so it's easy to find later. You'll see a simple editor where you can start typing. Add whatever is helpful. A brief summary of the email, key decisions, deadlines, next steps, or links you need to reference. Keep it concise but meaningful so future you can understand it at a glance. As you type, changes typically save automatically, so you don't have to worry about losing your thoughts. If formatting options are available, use them sparingly to make important items stand out. When you're done, you can close the panel. Your note stays linked and can be reopened from the same icon. Depending on your setup, these notes may also sync with your OneNote feed, making them accessible across devices where you're signed in. A couple of quick tips to finish. If the icon doesn't appear, make sure you're using the latest version of Outlook on the web and that add-ins are enabled for your account. Keep a consistent note style. Start with a one-line summary, then add bullets for actions and due dates, so your notes stay scannable. And revisit your notes when the email updates so they remain accurate. That's it. You've added a clear, searchable note right where it belongs, next to the email that inspired it.